Morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to visit Sipi Falls. So come with me as we, experience Sipi Falls.
I had a heavy breakfast so that I can get energy for the hike. As you can see, the energy was energy. After breakfast, I set off for the Sipi Falls area, which is about an hour away from Bali where I slept. Good morning from Sipi! We are here at Sipi Falls Road and oh my god, everything is so amazing. The views are amazing. Let me just show you sneak peek.
Small breathing before we set off. So we shall be expecting to be hiking to the falls, which comes in three series. One river having three falls.
After the briefing, we started our hike, which took us to the local communities, some trees, and then we crossed the Sipi River. We came across this beautiful craft shop right before we reached the first falls. Then we continued our hike, which blessed us with beautiful views of the surroundings. We also got to see some caves, and then we reached the second falls. Okay, we finished two falls, and yes, it's Sipi River, and there. We continued our hike through the local communities. We saw some of them making local beer, and the sky was stuck with these sugar canes. We finally reached the last of the falls, but we had to hike to get close to them. We passed by this man who sells stones that I believe have magic charms. And then finally we are at Sipi Falls.
I was going to use the other camera and then stop blurry. Hello, Sipi Falls! Yeah!
A little celebration, of course, before hiking back down. After the long hike, my energy was so low, so we headed out for lunch before heading back to Bali for the night. The next day, we headed back to Kampala city, and of course, we bought roadside chicken. And that's it from Sipi Falls. See you in the next video. Bye!